earthquake, debris flow, flood, landslide. What if our village was destroyed after these natural disasters took place? We have to escape to an emergency shelter, following our teachers' or parents' instructions. If you don't have a place to go in the event of a natural disaster, you can go to a shelter. But what are the shelters? Yes, this square has emergency shelter signs. Wow, this park has emergency shelter signs. Very nice. The stadium has emergency shelter signs. Great! Wow, you have found them all. Let's build an emergency shelter. Emergency shelter. To pitch a tent, we need to set up poles. Where should I put 1, 2, 3, 4? Great! All the poles are up. Cover them with the tent, like this. Emergency! The tent has blown down in the wind. Hammer the nail and then tie the rope to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. One side is fixed. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, the tent is set up. Awesome! We need to set up another air tent. What can happen if we... Wow, the tent is set up! Awesome! Here is the emergency shelter. You can come and sleep here. Do you know the sign for an emergency? That's right! It's the sign for the emergency shelter. Great! An emergency shelter has been built. Let's go build other facilities. Emergency water supply. Sink. Well. Pump wells. Water wagon. Connect the pipes. Only 2 to go. Keep on. Great job! You finished connecting the pipes. Everyone can now drink fresh water. Here is an emergency water supply center. Come here if you need water. What is the sign for the emergency? Good job! That's the sign for the emergency water supply. Great! An emergency water supply center has been built. These are done. Let's go. Emergency medical treatment. X-ray scanner. Oxygen mask. Defibrillator. First aid kit. Bed. IV pole. Let's make up the first aid kit. Yay! Everything is properly arranged.
Here is the emergency medical center where you can come if you are sick or hurt. What is the sign?
Yes, that's the sign for emergency medical treatment.
Order has been built. Emergency supplies.
Where should I put these? Water. Quilt. Toothpaste. Flashlight. No. Cookies. No. Toothpaste. Flashlight. Quilt. Water. Medicine. Cookies. Canned food.
Here is an emergency supply center. You can come here if you need something to eat. What is the sign?
Yes, that's the sign for emergency supplies.
Wow, an emergency supply center has been built. Emergency toilet. The manhole is locked. You should loosen the screws. 1, 2, 3. Wow, they are all loosened. Now we can open the manhole. Left. Exactly, and choose your favorite case. Blue, yellow, red. Wow, you have chosen a pretty one. You can use this emergency toilet. What is the sign for the... Yes, that's the sign for the emergency toilet. Yay! We finished building an emergency center.
Follow the sign and you can find an emergency shelter. Aha! This is the way.
Oh no, I cannot find the directions to the emergency.
Follow us. We'll take you to the emergency shelter.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, it's the right direction. How can I get to the emergency shelter? That's not the way to the... Aha! This is the way.
Oh, I have no idea how to get to the emergency shelter.
Follow us. We'll take you to the emergency shelter.
All right, thanks.
Yes, it's the right direction. Which way should I go? Aha! This is the way. Wow, Thanks to you, I was able to get to the emergency shelter. You need to register before you go to an emergency shelter. Where should I go to register?
Emergency Control Center. Please show me your ID.
Here is my ID card.
Great! I'll make a scanned copy.
My name is Mew Mew. Can you find my number is 22.
Registration is all done. Here's your ID back.
Wow, thanks.
Help me find the right tent. You need to register before you can go to an emergency shelter. Fire! Fire! Rush out, firefighters! Emergency supplies. Do you know how to use the fire extinguisher? First, pull the pin in the handle. Secondly, grip the handle. Thirdly, aim the nozzle at the base. Great! Extinguish the fire right away. Uh-oh, we need the fire hydrant to extinguish a fire. Step 1, open the hydrant. Step 2, connect the hydrant hose. Fasten the joint. Step 3, set up the valve and turn it. Spray it on the fire. Guys, fire is so dangerous that you shouldn't play with it. I'm so hungry. Where can I get some food? Emergency supplies. You should queue up when you receive Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you.
I need this stuff. Can you help me find it?
Quilt. What?
Thanks. Wow, I found everything. Thank you. I need these things. Can you? Yeah. Thanks. Thanks. Wow, I found everything. Thank you.
I need these things. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Wow, I found everything. Thank you. Wow, thanks to your help, everyone gets emergency supplies. You can get food and household goods at the Emergency Supply Center. Oh, there is too much rubbish here. We need to clean it up. Emergency medical treatment. Throw the trash into the trash can. Don't just throw trash anywhere. Oh, there are mosquitoes in the trash. Please catch them. First, spray the insecticide. Secondly, cover it. Thirdly, press the button on the insecticide tool. Now let's get rid of all the mosquitoes. Uh-oh, we need more pressure on the insecticide tool. Please keep removing mosquitoes. Wow, we can prevent infectious diseases thanks to your help.
Where's my dad? What should I...
Emergency control.
Where is my dad?
Don't worry. Can you describe what your dad looks like?
My dad has long ears. My dad wears green clothes. My dad has a thick beard. Yes, that's my dad.
Call your dad now. 1, 3, 4, 2. Hello, are you Momo's dad? Momo is waiting for you at the Emergency Control Center.
Momo, you shouldn't go alone without your dad.
No, I won't go anywhere without my dad.
If you get lost at the emergency shelter, you can go to the Emergency Control Center. If a disaster happens, water might be contaminated. Let's go check. Emergency water supply. Pour some water in the bottle. Great! Let's go examine the water. Uh-oh, the water quality is bad. We need to disinfect it. Step 1, open the valve. Step 2, filter out the dirt in the water. Yes, you did well. Step 3, kill the bacteria with ultraviolet rays. Yay! All done! You can use the water right away.